Looking for a lightweight motorcycle that delivers both style and substance? Honda's 2026 SL125 might just be the urban warrior you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides so you can make informed decisions. Let's dive into what makes this bike special. Design. The 2026 SL125 brings a refreshing neo-retro aesthetic that turns heads without trying too hard. The compact Scrambler styling features a minimalist bodywork with clean lines and a beautifully sculpted fuel tank. Honda's opted for a high-mounted front fender and knobby tire setup that gives it genuine off-road character. The round LED headlight and modern digital instrumentation strike that perfect balance between classic charm and contemporary functionality. Performance. Under the hood sits a refined 125cc single-cylinder engine, producing smooth, reliable power that's perfect for city commuting and weekend adventures. The fuel-injected motor delivers excellent throttle response while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The suspension setup handles urban potholes and light trails with equal confidence, and the lightweight chassis makes maneuvering through traffic almost effortless. Features and technology. Honda hasn't skimped on technology here. You get full LED lighting, a crisp digital display showing all essential information, and optional smartphone connectivity for navigation. The bike also features improved braking with ABS, ensuring safety in all conditions. So, there you have it. The 2026 Honda SL125 combines practicality with personality in one attractive package. What do you think? Would you choose this over its competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest motorcycle reviews. Ride safe.